Hi guys, welcome. My name is Chidima. Welcome to my channel. So guys, on today's video, I want to show you how to draw your eyebrows perfectly in a very simple way. So what I'm doing now is to mattify my brow using setting powder. I'm mattifying so that it will help my pencil to glide easily on my brow. I'm using a brown pencil. Yeah, to outline my eyebrow. I'm following the shape of my brow, or you draw it to the best shape you want or any shape you want. And to make your work so easy, make sure you are starting on a clean shaved or well shaved curved brow. This is how I want my brow to be. This is the shape I want my brow. Once I get the line, the on bottom line, I will create my arch. After the arch, then I connect the rest of the brow, the line, to the arch, to the seal. Once I'm done doing this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, do the other parts. Exactly what I did on the other side. I'm going to do it on this part. After which, I'll go in with my black brow pencil to give it more definition. My natural brow is black, so I'm going to blend the brown with the black and also fill my brows with the black. Then once I get to the front, I will draw line strokes like line with the brown brow pencil. Yeah, this is the simplest brow tutorial or brow tutorial you can do. It's so simple, it's so easy. Anybody can do this brow tutorial. Nothing, no cutting is complicating. I have different ways to draw brow depending on the mood I am, depending on the style I'm going for. So whichever one that suits you or you like, any style you want to draw your brow, be free. It's your brow. It's an art. Makeup is an art. Draw it the way you feel about it, or whatever you feel or how you're feeling. That is what makeup is all about. So this is me filling my brows with the black pencil, like I said earlier. After filling my brows, you can see this is the shape of the brow. It is left for you if you want it bold. You can go ahead and just define the brows with concealer. If you want it tinier than this or thinner than this, you can still go ahead with your concealer. That is what the concealer will do. That is the important part or role concealer plays, one of the roles it plays in drawing your brows. So this is me drawing lines like strokes like line at the front beginning of the brows. So the next thing I'm doing is to brush off the brightest pencil and also to eliminate any harsh lines on the brow using my spoolie. Now, after this is what my brows are looking like so far. The next step is to clean your brows, to define your brows using your concealer. Make sure you use a concealer that is lighter than your shade, or you can use the foundation that is lighter than your shade, one or two shades lighter than you. And this brush I'm using is the Game Changer. I wonder, I don't know why I have this brush. I've had this brush with me for so long and I've not been using it. I was using the flat brush, but flat brush was making it difficult for me. When I started using this brush, I noticed that it made my brow game easy. So this is brow and the concealer. I'm starting with the underbrow using the lighter concealer, while for the upper brow I will use my foundation shade using the same brush. This brush is a Game Changer. This is it concealer, or yeah, I think concealer brush. So no, I'll put the brush on the screen so you see what the brush looks like. The brush is a Game Changer. It has been making my brows so easy, and I have different brows tutorial video on my channel. And that is, I'm blending out the concealer using this blending brush, and I don't forget to use whatever that is left on the blending brush to blend the center of my brow in between the two brows. So for the upper brows, I'm going to use my foundation, like I said, my foundation shade with the same brush. As you can see, I did not start from the beginning of my brows to clean it. Then once I get the line, then I can proceed to the beginning then and connect everything. And this is what is brow looking like so far. So I say I reduce the thickness of the brow with both the concealer and my foundation, and that's it. It's so simple. I think this is one of the simplest tutorial you can see. I'm still doing the same thing on the this part of this side. This one, blend, blend, blend. In makeup, blending is the key. Now the next step I'm going to show you is so optional. It's not a must. You can go ahead like this. After, make sure you take your time, build it up, clean it to the thickness you want. That's what I'm doing. If there's any mistake, you can still go ahead. If there is any mistake, use your pencil and draw whatever mistake you make. Then clean, 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 clean until you get your design. You cannot, sometimes you don't do it once and get it immediately. It requires practice, practice, practice. So this is the game changer. Like I say, it's optional. I don't normally use it, but if you like to have tinted brow, to tint my brow, this is a brow tinting gel. This is a tint gel that it keeps your brow stay in place, brow hair, and also change the color of the brow if you don't want it too dark, or if you want the kind of ombre effect on your brows. This is what you use. Okay, this is a brow tinting gel in Orbium, or they have different colors depending on what you want. And this is what my brows look like. Thank you guys for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror.